Dear student, welcome to this class Construction 3. In this period, you are going to learn about how to construct a triangle when the base angle and the perimeter of a triangle is given. In the last period, you have learned when the sum of the two sides and the base and base angle is given. So now this is only two angle, base angle, and perimeter is given. So now I will consider a problem. So construction of triangle when the base and perimeter and base angle are given. So now see here is a problem. Write down problem and take geometry and construct now itself. Construct a triangle ABC with angle A 60 degree, B 70 degree and perimeter is AB plus BC plus CA is 15 centimeter. Now I am drawing a 15 centimeter line. So first draw the 15 centimeter line. Now the first point is A and the second point is B. Second point is B. Second point is B. Now I am constructing a base angle. I am constructing a base angle. This is 15 centimeter. Now I am constructing an angle 60 degree at P. 60 degree at P. So now join that point and produce up to some length. Up to some length. So now that length is L2. So now that angle is 60 degree. That angle is 60 degree. Now this side I am constructing a 70 degree. Not 110, 70 degree. 70 degree. 70 degree. Observe here. This is 70 degree. 70. So now this angle is 70. This is the line L3. Now take an arc. Construct an arc by using compass with suitable radius which cuts L1 at point R and L2 at point S with the same radius. Now construct an arc or draw an arc like this from the point R with same radius. Cut the arc from S with same radius. You will get an intersection point. That intersection point is let be P. Now join and produce. Join PT and produce up to some length. Similarly, construction is done on another side at Q. From the point Q with the suitable radius, draw an arc which cuts L1 and L3 at points say U, V. With the same radius, draw an arc from U as shown. Cut the arc from the point V with the same radius by using compass. You will get an intersection point. You will get an intersection point that is Z. Now join QZ and produce, that is L5, line L5. L4 and L5 are intersecting at a point. That point is our point A. When you produce L4 and L5, then you will get an intersection point. That intersection point is A. Now draw the perpendicular bisector to both L4 and L5, line N4 and L5. By taking more than the half of L4, draw arc above and below the L4 from the point P like this. With the same radius, by using compass, cut those arc. You will get two intersection points. Let be K and another one is L. Now join KL, which cuts L1 at a point. That point is nothing but B. When perpendicular bisector of L4 KL cuts point L1, so that point B, join AB. Similarly, construct a perpendicular bisector to the line L5 by using more than the half of the radius. Construct an arcs above and below the L5. Cut those arcs by using the same radius from the point A by using the compass. So similarly you will get the two intersection points. Those points are, let be M and N. Join M and N. Cut L1, line L1, that is PQ, at a point. That point is C. Join AC. Now the ABC is our required triangle, which has the perimeter 15 centimeter. So ABC is the required triangle. You can measure angle B, it is 60 degree, and C is 70 degree. And if you measure AB and BC plus CA, that sides are equal to 15 degree. This is the construction of triangle when the base, angle and perimeter is given. Now I will give homework as two problems. Consider these two problems as activity. So construct a triangle ABC in which AB plus BC plus CA equal to 12 centimeter and base angles B and C are 40 degree and 50 degree respectively. Similarly, another problem, construct a triangle PQR in which PQ plus QR plus RP equal to 10 centimeter and base angle P and Q are 50 degree and 70 degree respectively. I think you are clear. Go through the videos again and again, try to understand, and not only construct the explanation what I explained. You have to do the problems which are given to yourself. This is important. So therefore, try to solve these two problems. We will meet on the next class. Thank you.